Hey guys, it's a short week at the shop this week. Christmas was last week, New Year's is this week, but that's not going to stop us from doing another round of interviews. So let's go find out what the guys are up to this week.
Okay, so I'm calibrating this amplifier for load cells and displacement transducers that's going to go on a small chemical reaction vessel. So we have things that measure load and movement of the sample in the vessel, and we have to make these tiny signals larger. And then we have to know how much larger we made them so we can turn that into an actual force. So I use a calibration meter that simulates the load cell or the transducer very accurately. And I can dial in a load and see the response of the system. We record that and use that to calculate the calibration factor. Then we also use physical standards like this traceable gauge to calibrate this movement to an actual, in this case, 0.005 of an inch resolution.
I was powder coating some Nanuk brackets, so they hold the Nanuk cases, which are kind of like Pelican cases, but we like them a little bit better. And they hold them to be mounted onto any kind of pole or frame that you have outdoors. For this, I was doing them in black, and we're doing a bit of a bulk production right now. So I was doing in the neighborhood of 15 of these of various different sizes.
Like I said, it is a short week this week. There's not too much to show in this video, but we're definitely here. We're definitely still working to make sure that things are getting done. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all of the things that we have going on here, and we'll see you next time.